Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the vehicle and getting power to the shift system. First, park level and apply the parking brake so the car won't roll. Next, turn the ignition to on or press start to energize electronics while leaving the engine off. That enables the shift interlock. Press and hold the brake pedal. This releases the interlock. Once done, you're ready to access the shifter. Make sure the dash shows the correct mode indicators before moving to the next step. With power and brake applied, locate the shift lock release near the shifter, usually a small cap or slot. Use a flat tool to remove the cap and press the release button or tab. This bypasses the electronic lock. While still holding the brake, nudge the shifter out of drive or reverse and into neutral. Move deliberately. The mechanism clicks when engaged. Check the instrument cluster and the shifter notch to confirm neutral. If it resists, stop and reapply firm. Once in neutral, release the parking brake only if it's safe. Otherwise, keep it set. Verify by giving a gentle push on the vehicle or confirming the dash indicator reads N. If the shifter won't move, cycle the ignition off and on, reapply the brake and retry. Sometimes the interlock needs a reset. If that fails, check the brake light switch or fuse. A dead brake switch prevents shifting. If you still can't, engage tow mode, if available, and call a technician to avoid damaging the transmission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.